Audi must go.
Yes.
Audi must go.
Yes.
We want to unequivocally express our dissatisfaction with the corrupt leadership of Dr. Ahmed Audi, who has brought the once revered civil defense corps into public shame and dispute. It is a public knowledge that President Muhammadu Buhari-led administration has zero tolerance for corruption and corrupt practices. The federal government has proven it is time and time again that corruption public officials will not only be removed from the office but will be made to face the full wrath of the law. The military and paramilitary agencies are not suffered in the crusade to rid Nigerian of vulture and economic bonfires wreaking the havoc on our country's resources. Evidence of this commitment issues is the recent sanitization of the EFCC, Nigerian Police Force, Custom Services, and many other paramilitary organizations. It is on the strength of this that we are gathered here today to x-ray this reform vis-a-vis the road that has led the Nigerian Security and Civil Defense Corps, NSCDC, under the watch of Dr. Ahmed Audi. Because under his watch, the organization has become synonymous to corruption. However, after our investigation and consultations with other patriots, we come to the bitter realization of the following: that the Dr. Ahmed Audi elite leadership has turned the NSCDC into a cash cow for siphoning the public funds via contract inflation and kickbacks. Under the corrupt leadership of Dr. Ahmed Audi, job racketeering and recruitment has become the order of the day. Worse, still seeing on how young patriotic Nigerians were made to part away with money in order to acquire a slot to serve in the NSCDC. Bribery and corruption has now been enriched in the NSCDC like never seen before, because the wise saying goes, when the head is rotten, the entire body smells. To deliver on its mandate of protecting the critical national infrastructures and this inability to reform the basic responsibility of establishing the call for urgent action to save the NSCDC from further damages and disasters. That the federal government must act as a matter of urgency to set off a panel of investigation to look into the activities of the Nigerian Security and Civil Defense Corps. The National Assembly must come into exercise its power of oversight by instituting a committee to ensure that the hearing on the activities of Dr. Ahmed Audi leadership. We demand to outright the dismissal of Dr. Ahmed Audi. We wish to reiterate our stand that this protest will be a continuous process, continuous struggle for the next 7 days until Dr. Ahmed Audi step aside or the president sack him.